What am I saying? Hi guys, welcome back to Zoya's channel. Today is my sweet 16 party. Woo!
मुस्कुराना भी तुझी से सीखा है, दिल लगाने का तू ही तरीका है, एतबार भी तुझी से होता है, ना मुझमें मैं कभी बाहों में है तेरी जिंदगी है।
गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे, देखो शादमानी हो गई। हाय गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे, देखो शादमानी हो गई।
तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा, तू रात दीवानी मैं सर्द सितारा, और तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा, मैं तेरा हो जाऊं जो तू कर दे इशारा।
Okay, wait, good again. Just my dad. Just my mom. Thank you, mom. Just my sisters. Thank you. There we go. This is brother. And round. I can't handle this competition.
I cannot. You need to give me some cards. So she can go and down it.
Okay, I'm so scared, guys. Oh my gosh, look. Bro.
I cannot.
I'm so scared. Okay guys, I just lost the last round and I told Iman if we would have teamed up we would have won together, right? Now look who lost! Now look who lost! She lost. Yeah, this is what you get for not teaming up with me like a loser. We both could have been winners right now. We could have been winning. We could have been winning. What end?
You mean the 1v1 you guys have to have?
All right.
I'm gonna make out with Zoya's still in it? I don't know how.
I'm vaccinated. Vax and relaxed. Oh no, what happened? Turn around! Hold on, push me outside. Let me get out of here. I'm not a cheater. She pushed me too. Hold on, you're a cheater. Ow, my leg hurts. My leg hurts. I should be kicked out.
I don't want to be against her.
Look, she's a cheater. You're almost ready to just call it quits.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Even if I switch you, I'm gonna fight for your place, bitch. Come on.
Do it for me, Zoya. Oh.
I can't hear it. She's so cool. I can push you off. Okay, at least you didn't get pushed
I know.
like I did.
I was afraid.
Good job.
Around the violet.
Oh wait,
Yeah. Okay, is it recording? Is there a red dart? Is it recording? Yes. Okay. Please don't put that in there. Thank you. Okay. Oh, okay.
No, this way. You just scared me.
No, dog. We going today. We going today.
Going.
We going today. I'm here to win.
Oh my god.
Oh, we up? Okay. Okay.
I better win this. Oh, we're not gonna.
Oh, we're going. Oh, we're going. Oh, we're walking. Oh no. Oh no. No! Birthday girl! Whoa! I want a refund! Let's do that again! Again! That was cheating! All you guys cheated! All you guys cheated! Bruh! Alright, I'm just here to record. Woo! They're up, smile! Oh.
My smiling made me lose.
Woo! We partying today. Woo! Auntie, say hi. Woo! Hi there. Hi.
Birthday girl.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
You can't see her. You can't see her. You can't see her.
Oh! They fought for that. Hey, oh.
Taking notes on my keyboard.
I knew it was coming too. I knew it.
Oh my god.
Say hi. Woo!
I'm nervous for this.
Okay, Sydney. If you don't win, I'm gonna be disappointed.
Girl, you got out first now.
Same.
Oh.
Sydney, you need to slow down.
Oh. Oh no.
It's between your two sisters.
Oh no. Hey. Hey.
Hannah, you cheated!
Hey, hey, hey.
You got cheated!
No sitting on my face this time.
Yeah.
Okay, I told him to go get bisma, and so I said, "There's a mouse in your house." Really? Sis, it's bada baj gaya.
Can you guys start screaming Jua?
बड़ा चूहा है ना मेरे सामने है.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Mom just got us started downstairs. Can you just come upstairs?
Hello?
Just come upstairs.
No more speaking, come on.
Iman, come upstairs.
Come up here.
My diet's over.
It is.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bisma. Happy birthday to you.
Cut the cake.
Okay.
Yeah.
She wouldn't stop talking.
Very forceful.
Is it Reese's?
I want